Hi everyone, Sarah here. I have another unboxing from Diamond Art Club. So this is a new release from September the 12th. It's a square diamond painting. And it is So Many Books, So Little Time by Randall Spangler. So cute! This one is a 56 by 109 with AB diamonds, featuring our cute little dragons. I'm addicted to them now. I'm addicted to everything. I'm noticing some of them are not coming with the smaller stickers. And this could be because of the size of the painting for this one, but I now have a couple that I don't have the small sticker, which is not a huge deal. Okay, so this is a square. So we have our square toolkit. Comes with a clear boat, a couple of baggies. We have our pen, super stabby tweezers, a squishy, and 2 heart-shaped waxes. So there we go. Everything you need to diamond paint. And here is our sticker legend. So there's the name again. So Many Books, So Little Time. It's square with AB, 56 by 109 centimeters. And there is 53 colors in this one. And it looks like 2 ABs, number 1, number 2. And here's the image. It's got the same cool arched windows as Universe in a Jar. So I thought this would be really cute because it'll match with that one. And it's got a pocket watch with all the books. There is a little kitty cat sticking out from behind, another dragon eating cookies, and some marbles. So very, very cool. Get this opened up here. Super soft canvas. Oh, this one is huge. Wow. It's not it's wider than Where the Fun Never Ends and shorter. So it's a little bit different. Instructions. 2 bags of drills again. What have I gotten myself into? Let's turn it this way. Got a little crimpled in the box. So here we go. Turn it to the side here so we get rid of the glare for you. Look at that beautiful dragon with the moon behind him and the arch-shaped windows. So awesome. And then as we go along, we've got the big stack of books, the giant pocket watch. There is a bookmark hanging out here with some gems on it, which would be pretty cool to bling up. And then we have the kitty cat's little eye and paw sticking out here, so cute. And on the other side, we have his tail behind the second dragon, who's got his chocolate chip cookies, and then the marbles. So let me just twist it as I pull it back so you don't have the glare. So cute. I do like that they didn't try and put titles of the books in here, because sometimes when they hand chart the words, it kind of messes things up a little. But you do have the pocket watch, and it does have the numbers that are going to be legible in 24-hour time, which is pretty cool. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, right? But 15 you can't really read because it's on an angle. And then 18, 21, and 24. So, ooh, come on. Let me get the glare from the window. What do you want, glare from lights or glare from window? Which do you prefer? He's so cute. Andy's reading a book. So adorable. This one's gonna be awesome. Okay, let's just leave that there for, so we have our drills that have labels on them, 1 of 2 and 2 of 2. It's gonna have some really nice, sorry, crinkle. Some really nice jewel tone colors with this one. Start off with like a mustard, this beautiful blue, it's like a periwinkle, 2 of those, bright yellow, lighter ivory, 2 forest greens. And we have our purple, rust, beige, brown. This is like, it's not quite burgundy, it's got like more pinkish tones in it. Our gray, purple, gray, coral, fuchsia, blue, and another like reddish pink. More beautiful purple, gray, blue, beige, burgundy. Here's our first AB, is 134. Beautiful Aurora Borealis coating that gives it like a little rainbow extra shine. Obviously we're going to see some of that in the dragons, but we'll go back to the canvas and see where that is. This is a gorgeous periwinkle. Navy, deep gray, nice yellow. It's like a grayish green, purple. Got some more greens. Here's our second AB. This is the white. Pretty AB coating on there. That coral yellow. Got some pinks and a brown. So that is our first baggie. I had both our ABs in it, so then this one nice big bag of rusty color. Oh, we have 4 bags of this 642, this beige. I'm thinking your books got a lot of that in there. 3 bags of this 3782, which will be in there with that. It's a beautiful blue color. Brown, green, gray. And then we have like a rust, 2 of this deep green, 2 of this rusty brown, another green, and then 2 burgundies. A lot of duplicates in this one. There's another rusty brown color. Then we have 3 bags of 310. So you're pretty much outlining all of the books in black around the clock. Some of the dragons, the windows, then there's some black in your cat. Beautiful periwinkle, and then kind of like a green gray. So that's our second one. Now the ABs, we have symbol number 1 is our green, and symbol number 2 is white. So with our green, we've got a little bit down on this book down here, in this marble in the corner. Obviously we've got some highlights on our dragon, and in the cat's eye we're going to have some ABs. This book here has a nice layer of them, and then this book in here, some highlighting, and on that jewel. And then when we get to the top, there's going to be some highlighting on the back of this dragon with your green ABs. And then the white is symbol number 2, and that's all of your stars in your window. So you can see that sprinkled through the whole thing there. And then there is some more down here on this jewel in this book. There's a little highlight. There is some in the cat's, the tip of the cat's tail is white, and there's some white AB in there, in the dragon's eyes, and there's going to be some in here highlighting the paw and the head of the cat. So those are your AB colors. Again, the image is very, very pretty. That sneaky cat, he's so cute. And then the watch. This would be really cool in a library, kids' playroom, living room, anywhere, anywhere. It'll just be anywhere. I swear every wall in my house is gonna have diamond paintings on it. So one last look of our awesome dragon. There you go. All right, so that is so many books, so little time. All right, leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks, bye.